Hey, how's it going guys? Developers here, so back in the video. In today's video, we'll be doing the second part to the warning system. In the last episode, we had created the add and remove functions for the warning system, and we had also created the database for the warning system. So, like I said at the end of the last episode, what I'll be doing now is briefly explaining everything about what's currently going on within the code. As people have been requesting, hey, what does this mean? What does that mean? Also gives you guys a chance to check over your code as well to make sure everything's correct. There's no spelling errors. As people have been joining my fan server, link in the description down below, and they've been saying, hey, there's so-and-so error. And then every time, they have either misspelled it, or they've got the wrong directory. So make sure you're spelling every little aspect correctly. So I've currently got 3 open tickets, and it's purely spelling errors. Alright, anyway. So, we have gathered everything we need from the discord.js package. We have then got our warn model for the database from the path database warn model. And then we have created the command by doing modular exports data new/command builder. We've set the name of the command to warn system. We've set the description on here. We've then added a subcommand which allows you to add a warning to a user with a reason. We have also added another subcommand which allows you to remove a warning via the warning ID. Down here we have got the guild from the interaction. We have gathered the user from target. We've got the ID from the guild. We've got the reason from the string reason, and we've got the warn ID from the string warn ID. Down here in add, we have made sure they have the correct permissions, such as moderate members. We've also made sure that they are a lower rank, a higher rank in role position than the current player. Down here it creates the warning, and then it pastes all the information in a warn, and then it DMs them. If their DMs are off, it will say that the private messages are blocked. It will send this, and it will also say that private messages are blocked by this user. Oh. Now I've looked at it, they both say add. This one needs to say remove. Okay. And in remove, it checks if they've got the permissions again, and makes sure they've got a higher role. It checks the warning ID length, as it has to be 24 characters long. It then gathers the data and looks for it. If there is no data, it responds with no warning ID. Else it will delete. It will completely wipe out the warning, and to say it's been successfully removed. That's that. That's all it is. All right. Pretty simple. Pretty basic. As long as you know what you're doing. Now we're going to be checking. We're now going to be making how to check someone's warnings. So we can get rid of that comma for now. That will be added back, but later on. We can just copy and paste this. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Alright, in here, this will be check. We can just set the description to check a user's warnings. Alright, and this will be a user option, and this will be target, and this will just be the user, and we can add our comma back here. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to check. So we need to come down to here, and we need to do if interaction.options.get subcommand equals check. We want to do const user warnings await warn model dot find. User ID will be the user.id. The guild ID will be the guild.id. Alright, const ER stands for error, will be a embed builder. Alright, and then in here we want to set the title to users infractions. Infractions is another word for warnings. Set description. This will just be user has no infractions / warnings. Alright, and we want to do if not user dot warning. Oh no, if it's not dot. If not, oh my god. No wonder it's not working. Spelling error. Jesus Christ. Right then, if not user warnings. There we go. Dot length. Return interaction dot reply. Alright, the embeds will then just be ER. Alright, that's all it is. So, const embed description equals user warnings dot map warn here, and we're going to put it into an arrow function. We're going to open this up. We're going to do const moderator equals interaction dot guild dot members dot get, and then in this get it will be warn dot moderator ID. Alright, and then from there we can come down here and it will be return. No, we don't need that, we just need that. And then it will be warning ID, and then it will be the warn.id. You will then have the moderator who warned them, and this will be moderator or has left. Oh. Ah. Interesting. Ah. There we go. There we go, there we go. I knew I was doing something. And then the reason will be warn.reason. Alright. Then we're going to do .join \n. Alright, and then here we're going to do .join \n. Alright, and we're going to do const embed equals new embed builder. We're going to set the title to we can do user.username '(s) infractions / warnings. Alright, we're going to set the description to embed description, and we're going to set the color to random. We're then going to do an interaction.reply. The embeds will be embed, and that is it. So I'll explain what we've done now. So we've gone into the warn model and we've found their user ID within the guild. We've then made an error embed if they have no warnings or infractions. If they don't have any, it will return this. It will return this here saying they've got no infractions or warnings. This here is getting every single warning. It's mapping them. And it's getting the moderator ID from all of them, and then it's getting the warning ID, the moderator, and the reason. And then it's joining it and then putting a line underneath it. If you really wanted to, you could /n it, but hey, some people do, some people don't. Then this here is creating the embed. It's displaying their warnings, infractions. This will display it all, and then the color is set to random. So I will first off test to make sure there is no errors. I did have a database error, which I've had to swap it all over. All in all, it should work though. Loaded events, loading commands, client logged in. Okay, all works, all works. Alright, I will see you in testing. Hey there, sorry to interrupt this video. I would just like to let you know we do have a Discord server. Links in the description down below. In here you are able to see all the functions of obviously a fully functioning multi-guild bot, such as with a verification system, full-blown welcome system. You also get access to custom support. As you can see, someone's asked for help and I've gave them a detailed assistance. You can come into here, you can have help with tutorials. Alright, as you can see, you can come here for help. You can see code share. Say for instance, I've got a clear command here. It's never going to be used on the channel. Actually, yeah, it will. It'll be used pretty soon. Or you've probably already seen the video. You never know. However, yeah, the Discord server's here. You should join. It's a fascinating place. You can get custom roles. You know, you can have a chance of becoming a moderator. Maybe, you know, a YouTube chat moderator. Anyway, that's all. Enjoy the video. Alright, we are now at the testing. So if we do /warn system add, me add it to myself for the reason test. You cannot warn someone who has a higher role than you within the server. That being, I have a role. So if I quickly get rid of his creator role, and then I do /warn system add, and I add it to Robert for test, the user ID warned by the the warning reason when they join the server and when the account was created. And if we do warning system check, and we check his warnings, sending command. Oh, the application did not respond. Right, I will switch over and I will show you the error that has occurred. So if this error occurs for you, you should know how to fix it. Okay, right, so interaction.guild.members.get is not a function. What it means by this is we have not done interaction.guild.members.cache.get. That's all it means. Alright, so if you get the error, you should hopefully now know how to fix it. Alright, it's all came back on. So we're now going to go back to the Discord server. Bada-bing. Right. So if we do /warn system check once again, it says that they have that many warnings. If we do /warn system check and we check it with myself, I have no infractions. Right. And now if we do remove and we copy this very long warning ID, we paste it. Ooh. There seems to be another error. Now, this error I wasn't expecting to happen, but it's something with remove. So it's saying roles.highest.position. You cannot remove a warning from someone who has a role higher than you. It's coming up with they can't read highest. So, I'm not sure why that is happening. roles.highest.position. Alright, if I do a quick test, warn check Robert. Right, he still has his warning, so if I quickly do /warn remove, it came in the same error, hasn't it? And it cannot read highest. Huh. If we get rid of, let me see why. Is it just that line that's not working? Warning remove. Let's have a look. Alright, it was that line. It successfully removed the warning. So, we're going to fix that real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Right. So, let's have a look. If interaction.member.roles.highest.position. What if we do user? Interaction.guild.members.cache.get. No. ID dot roles dot highest. She worked perfectly fine up here. So if we copy this and we paste it here, right, it should all in all work now. Alright, so there was some sort of spelling error in there that I wasn't aware of. However, it all works now. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I will see you all in the next one. See you later.